There's a new managed print system now being used at Foothill's main campus, the Sunnyvale campus, De Anza College, and Central Services. It is easy to use and has several advantages over our older systems. It works by sending your print job to a server, where it remains for 3 calendar days or until you print the job, whichever comes first. Your print job can then be accessed from any printer that is part of our managed print system. After having installed the proper printer driver, contact DTS for assistance with this, you choose Print from your Windows or Macintosh computer. You may then retrieve your print job from any printer that's part of our managed print system. Whether you are working at Foothill's main campus, the Sunnyvale campus, De Anza, or Central Services, you may now retrieve your print job from the location that is most convenient for you. When you approach the printer, you'll notice that it has a card reader just to the right and slightly below the display panel. On the desktop units, this card reader is located directly behind the display panel. Simply swipe your employee ID card and your credentials will automatically be entered into the printer. If you don't have your ID card with you, no problem. You can manually enter your CW ID and password into the system. This is the same employee ID number and password that you use to access the portal, your email, or campus Wi-Fi. If you have a job ready to print, the top of the screen will have a message saying you have one or more print jobs pending. If you have one print job pending, you may select Print All or Print Release, which provides you with more print options. If you do have more than one print job, select Print All to print all of your pending jobs, or select Print Release to choose the job you want to print. This right-facing arrow on the side of the screen allows you to access other settings, such as the number of copies, color or grayscale, and paper size. You may ignore the cost window at the bottom of the screen. It's not functional at this time. Once you've selected the job to be printed, you'll need to select your department or division from this menu. There's a small cost for printing, which is charged to the accounts listed here. If you don't see your department, you can search. Currently, De Anza has only a couple of choices, instructional and non-instructional, but Foothill has many department choices. Choose carefully, as this selection cannot be undone. This printer, of course, performs many other functions. To make copies, load your original letter-sized documents into the automatic feeder, face up. If the document is large, such as a newspaper, you'll want to place the document face down on the glass plate. To make copies, begin by selecting Device Functions. You'll have the choice of color or grayscale, one or two-sided, the number of copies needed, and much more. Scanning documents or photos is a very similar process. Letter-sized documents are loaded into the auto feeder, and larger documents or photos should be placed face down on the glass plate. Before you begin scanning, the system will ask you a very important question. Do you want your scanned documents sent to your email address or to your OneDrive cloud account? Since you've already logged into the system, it will know your email address and can upload documents to your OneDrive storage. Your scanned document will automatically be assigned a file name that includes the date of the scan. You can change the name of the document to anything you like by typing in this field. You can also choose the file type of the completed scan. PDF is typical for text documents, and TIFF and JPEG are used for photos and graphic images. All you need to do is make these selections, perform your scan, and the system sends the file to your chosen location. There is no cost for scanning. After you've finished using the system, it will automatically log you out in approximately 1 minute. This prevents others from using your account. Those are the basics of this managed print system. If you need assistance with installation of the proper print driver or have further questions, please contact ETS.